Tired of messy, misaligned text in your AutoCAD drawings? You know, labels, notes, or dimensions that look like they were placed by a sleepy intern at 3 a.m. in the morning. Let's fix that in seconds with one simple command: TEXTALIGN. One of the most common issues in drawings is misaligned text. You've got notes floating at different heights, some shifted left, some shifted right, and before you know it, your drawing looks cluttered and unprofessional. Manually nudging each piece of text into place? That's a huge time waster. Here's how it works. Type TEXTALIGN in the command line. Hit enter. Select all the text objects you want to align, could be Mtext, single line text, or even a mix. Hit enter. Now, type P to specify which point to pick to align vertically and press the enter key. Specify the location by clicking the AutoCAD drawing. AutoCAD instantly snaps everything into place. No more eyeballing, no more dragging text around one by one. So next time your drawing looks like a text explosion, remember the TEXTALIGN command. It's a tiny command that saves you a ton of time and makes your work look sharp. If you want to automate your AutoCAD to speed up your workflow and save time, check out my site showing in the screen and link provided in the description. Thanks for watching.